Hey Millennium Minders, I'm super excited to share with you in this video how you can earn $250 per day with this new business model that I created this week that I've never shared before, that I don't think has been shared on the internet before with you in this video. And I have personal experience with the strategy. I've actually used the strategy before and I have earned with it. So this strategy is more of a business model. It's not one of those quick money-making ways online. This strategy pays a lot more than that. And I've also got lots of freebies and free tools that is essential that you need to pay attention to learn how to use in this video that can really help you scale quickly with this method. And I'm also going to show you each step in this video, step by step, super easy to do with these 4 key websites. So it's important, as I say, that you stick with me until the end. But let's get straight into it and enjoy the video. And as I said, I've got 4 websites that you need to earn $250 a day or more with the strategy. And the first one that I've got here is the Amazon Associates website. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come to affiliate-program.amazon.com. So what this website does is every time you refer somebody to the Amazon store, now we all know the Amazon store is one of the biggest online stores in the world with hundreds and thousands of products. Every time somebody comes to the website through your link, you are going to earn a commission for every single sale they make within 24 hours. So if they purchase, it could be anything. You can see how many categories are on Amazon.com. So if I come over to Amazon, you can see all the various different categories and hundreds and thousands of products in each category, how many sales that could be made, and the commissions you can earn. But first, you want to create your account on this website. So it's going to require your email, password, your address information, all the usual information. But if you'd like, I know a lot of people might have problems with signing up on this website because of the fact it's not supported in some countries, but I know how to bypass that and I can show you how to sign up on this website no matter where you are. So if you need help with that, you can DM me or leave a comment down below and I will make a separate video on this for you. And the second website that you're going to need is called keywordssheeter.com, and I'm going to explain to you what this website does. Is it basically creates bulk keywords of the most popular search terms on Google that is getting hundreds and thousands of traffic and searches on a daily basis. And then secondly, you need YouTube and Google. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come over to Keyword Sheeter and you want to search something like I'm going to use technology and equipment in this video as an example, as those are the best and highest paid products at the moment and they are paying the best commissions. So you want to come over to the search bar on keywordssheeter.com and you want to type in best. For example, let's take a monitor, best monitor 4. Okay, just leave it at that, best monitor 4, and click on sheet keywords. Now you can see it's going to generate a whole bunch of keywords that is really getting a lot of searches on Google at the moment. So you can see, okay, I'm going to stop the sheeting. So you can see if I go back to the top, best monitor 4, best monitor for gaming, for PS4, for photo editing, for MacBook Pro, for Xbox One, etc. And the list goes on and on and on. And you can see these are the most popular terms that is getting searched at the moment. So now what you want to do is, I'm going to use the best monitor for gaming, that keyword as example. You want to copy this keyword and you want to come over to Google and you want to paste it, just like that. Paste it and click enter. And you can see once you've done that search, it's given you a whole best gaming monitors at a glance. So some of the most popular gaming monitors at the moment with their model numbers. So I'm going to use this first website. So for example, the number 1 recommended one at the moment is the Samsung CRG 9. So I'm going to copy this. You want to use this monitor, this model number. You want to copy this. Okay, so I've already copied that. You want to come back to your Amazon Associates account. There is a product linking tab. You want to click on that. Click on product links and you'll see it's going to ask you for search, so you can search a specific category. I'm just going to keep it on the entire store and for a specific keyword. So now I'm going to paste this keyword, Samsung CRG 9, which is the monitor, the best monitor for gaming, and you want to click on go. And you'll see there's a whole bunch of monitors that has popped up from the Amazon store that you can now get your own unique link. And whenever somebody comes to this specific product and buys the specific product, you're going to earn a big commission for that. But there's another thing that you want to do first. So you want to come back over to YouTube and you want to type in the same thing. So Samsung CRG 9 and you can go review. Okay, and you'll see there's a whole bunch of videos that is reviewing the new Samsung CRG 9. But you want to come back to the filter tab. You'll see there's open search filters. You want to click on that and you want to make sure that it is on Creative Commons. So Samsung for monitors 49 super wide HDR gaming monitor. This is the review here, 5-minute video, same thing here, another video here. So there's a whole bunch of reviews and videos on the Samsung CRG 9 video that you can reuse because it's now in the Creative Commons. So for those of you who don't know, Creative Commons means these are videos on YouTube that you can download and re-upload to reuse. So what you want to do is you want to create a nice little channel, basic channels such as tech review, tech gadgets, because I mean these videos you can see it's getting 52k views, 8.5k views, 4k views, 36k views, reviews on these monitors. So I'm going to use this video right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this video, and you want to come over to a website called videomarketingblaster.com, and this is a program that you can use to basically rank videos on the #1 page of Google and YouTube. And I've actually got the program right here. I've purchased the Pro version, and I've actually got this version already downloaded, an older version that I can actually give to you for free. As you can see, if I come down to the bottom of this page, this software originally costs $97, and I'm going to give you this program completely for free. So I'm going to take it from $97 to naught, completely for free. I'm going to give you the link directly to download this program. But first, I just want you to do something for me. Is if you leave a like on this video, comment down below and say that you've subscribed, and I will comment back to you the download link directly to this program. Where you can download it and use it immediately. So as I said, what this program does is if you enter a specific keyword, so you can see when you launch this program, you've got your dashboard, keywords, video, details, and niche analysis. Now what you want to do is, the whole idea of this video is you're going to create a review video of the Samsung CRG9 video that you're going to post on YouTube, that you're going to get a very high ranking on YouTube and Google, that's going to get a ton of traffic linked to your Amazon Associates account, where people can purchase this monitor, for example, on sale. So I mean, you can say like get $200 off the new Samsung CRG90, and people will click on this link, and if they make a sale, you're going to get a ton of commission. So let's take this video here, for example, 52k views. Let's say even if 100 people out of these 52,000 people, which I'm sure will be a lot more, purchase the Samsung CRG90 monitor on $1,200 price on Amazon, you're going to get between $80 and $130 commissions directly from Amazon themselves. So again, you want to come back over to the VMB Pro, which is the Video Marketing Blaster Pro software, and you'll see there's a keyword section. You want to click on this, and you want to paste your keyword Samsung CRG9 review. Okay, that's all you want. You want to make sure that also research from search suggestions is checked. You can leave find competitors unchecked, get search results unchecked, and generate video details unchecked, and click on research keyword. And you'll see it's going to generate a whole bunch of similar keywords related to this term. You just want to copy your original one. So for example, in this case, the Samsung CRG9 review. Copy that, and you want to then come over to the video details tab, and you want to click on from competitors, and it's going to pop up a generate video details pop-up like this with the main keyword section. So paste this in there, and it's going to say target related videos. Also make sure that's checked. Generate sentences by scraping from Google, make sure that is checked. Same with research and find competitors. Once that's done and you've pasted your main keyword, click on start generating. So now what this program is going to do, it's going to generate an amazing title, description, and tags already optimized for you to get the highest ranking possible on Google and YouTube. And I've actually ranked a lot of my videos on the #1 page of Google and YouTube by using this program. So it really does work, and I've actually made a video on this on my channel before showing the proof, which is really amazing. So now what it's doing, it's finding a whole bunch of Google phrases, taking topics, tags, phrases from the most popular videos on the internet related to this term, and it's going to build one unique title, description, and tags for you that you just need to copy and paste. And you can see that Video Marketing Blaster Pro has generated an amazing title, a very large description for me that is bound with popular keywords and terms that is really going to rank you high up, and with some awesome tags as well. So now what you want to do is you want to leave this here for now. So I'm going to move this aside and minimize the program in the meantime. And you want to now upload this video that you've downloaded on YouTube, that you must make sure is Creative Commons, and you want to then upload this to YouTube. So I'm going to upload the video that I've downloaded, for example. So I'm just going to use this one here. Okay, it's a video that I've used, and now what you want to do is you can see you've got your title, your description, and your tags. Okay, so now what it is, I'm going to put this side by side so you can see what I'm doing. I've got my beautifully made title already from this program, so I'm literally going to copy this, Control-C, click on that, paste that in YouTube. I'm just going to clear my description. I'm then going to copy this entire description. You can see there, the description's copied, and then all of these tags already made for you. And I'm going to paste these tags. There we go, that's beautiful. And then what you want to do is you want to now come back over to the Amazon associates page. So now you've searched your for this monitor on Amazon, and I'm going to use this one here. So this one is marked down from $1,099 to $899, and all you want to do is you want to click on get link. So Amazon is now going to build your unique link for you. So when somebody clicks on this link, you are going to get a commission of about $80 to $120, between 5 and 10% for making this sale. So it's then going to pop up with a customize and get HTML tab. So you want to make sure that you click on text only. And if you come down a little bit, there's 2 radio buttons. You want to make sure that you've got short link selected, and your little short link is going to be produced for you. So I'm going to copy the short link, and I'm going to come over back to the upload tab of YouTube where you've uploaded your video, and I'm going to type in on the first line of this video, I'm going to say get your Samsung CRG9. So I want to make sure that it is the 49-inch gaming monitor. 49-inch gaming monitor at $200 off. There we go. And what you can do is you can then put the link here and leave that be. So you can see that is legitimate $200 off. If I go back, you can actually see it was marked down from $1,099 to $899, which is $200 off, which is really fantastic, and it looks like a good special. So now you can leave this as is, and you can now upload this to YouTube, and you can see these videos here. It's 49-inch. I search this again. You can see videos that are reaching the top page. 52k views, 21k views, 7k views, 18k, 860k, 3.9 million, 8.5k, 3.3k. So it's getting thousands to hundreds of thousands, even some of them close to 1 million views on the Samsung CRG9 review search term, which is super popular. And I mean, with VMB Pro, it's really going to market or boost your rankings on YouTube and Google. Really bound to get your video a ton of views, and that's where an important thumbnail also comes into. So I mean, let's do this. So let's go Samsung CRG Monitor 9 copyright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go download this image that's non-copyright. I'm going to use, let's say, this one. This is a very nice one. I like this thumbnail. So I'm going to open this in a new tab. I'm going to save this. I'm just going to save that there in that folder. I'm going to come back to the YouTube upload tab, and I'm going to upload my own custom thumbnail. So I'm going to then go to live editing where I uploaded it. There we go. So now I've uploaded my thumbnail. You can see once it's refreshed, this is now my professional thumbnail that looks very neat of the Samsung CRG9 review that has got a perfectly made description and title and tags already. So now what you do is you want to publish this to YouTube, and you've got your referral link here already, and just wait for the views to pile up and get your commissions rolling in on Amazon. I mean, the nice thing about YouTube, you can upload videos on tech reviews on a daily basis and get a ton of sales like this through the Amazon affiliates program, which is really awesome. So this is basically how the strategy works, and if you guys want to get going with the strategy and try it out, comment down below, or you can DM me on Instagram and I'll help you out with it by all means. I'm really glad that I can help you out. I mean, you can now contact me personally on my Instagram account, where I will message every single one of you back. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to comment down below what you think of the strategy, and if you want to see more awesome business models like this, and also leave a like on this video if you really enjoyed it. I really appreciate the support from every single one of you guys, as I really love the support. And also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe down below with the notifications on, so that I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.